well. This video has come to us from Fox Weather's Robert Ray, of course. He's been in Ocean City throughout the entire day. And Robert, every time we go to you, I'm hoping it improves, but it just looks like you're back into that wash cycle time and time again.
Yeah, Steve, these conditions are just miserable here in Ocean City, Maryland. And, you know, the winds are relentless. The second I think that we're going to have a moment where it dies down, it just gets more intense. And the wave action, in the past hour, maybe some of the biggest swells that we have seen throughout the day. This all has been going on since essentially the middle of the night, and it just continues to knock us down here on Ocean City. And I drove around about an hour ago, Steve, because I wanted to see what it looked like on the inlet side and see if there was any kind of road flooding. Indeed. Yes, there is. And maybe we're looking at some of that video. I talked to police officers there. They said, you know, look, we're just so thankful that we didn't get 5-6 inches of rain on top of all this push and all the wind, because they said that would have exasperated this area and made it feel potentially like Superstorm Sandy. But I will tell you this, we are getting driving rain right now. I don't think it's going to accumulate to multiple inches. But the other thing, too, is with these wind gusts, boy, this sand just gets kicked all the way down this massive beach, 50-60 yards wide, and the seawall that has done its job throughout today, even though this water during high tide made its way up to the seawall, some of it lapping over onto the boardwalk here, and all the sand being pushed up. I mean, yesterday where I'm walking, you know, this seawall is about 4 feet, and now I'm, you know, literally quite at the top because of the sand. Some people out obviously walking on the boardwalk. You'll see that throughout the day. We have seen it, but as we are about to lose light here in the next hour or so, indeed, it's going to be dangerous on these roadways with some of that flooding, because on the inlet at one point it was about a foot and a half, and that will continue with this rush of water that comes in. And all you got to do, if you go down low, you really get a visual of how the sand is being pushed by these wind gusts throughout this beautiful stretch of beach in Maryland. What a storm. You know, over 30 million Americans are right in the grasp of this nor'easter. We don't have names for nor'easters, but it sure does feel like a tropical storm with these winds. It's just so persistent and so fierce, as another big gust is coming in right now, sweeping across the beach. Steve?
Yeah, and to your point, Robert, along the beach, chaotic, but even those inland locations that probably thought they were spared on a holiday weekend, getting some of that water pushing in and making it extremely difficult. Man, that blistering sand there, brutal conditions, just showing you the power of the nor'easter. Robert, thank you for that update from Ocean City, Maryland. We'll continue to talk with you, of course, as we prepare for more of these storms. This is just round one.